concluded a meeting with the officers of the Department of PHE and PW Department, whereby we reviewed the ongoing projects, which are the construction of the double-lane bridge at Umpling, connecting Shillong City to New Shillong via Umpling, and also the internal roads which form an integral part of the communication lines between Shillong and again towards Negrims, and the Nongra water supply scheme. In the course of our discussion with the officers, we have been made to understand that there has been progress, albeit a little slow. Well, that can be compounded because of the pandemic that, brought the work to a standstill in the year 2020, the month of March, and the subsequent fallouts because of the various restrictions imposed by the district administration, which had to be done so to avoid the spread of the pandemic. However, we are pleased to know that this bridge, which is an important connector between the two parts of Shillong, is nearing completion, and we have been informed that by the end of March we will be able to use it, which means the connector will be open from there to connect Umpling. So that is part of the bridge now. But in the initial stages, it was doing well. But as soon as we started, I remember at that time, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Roads, Mr. Tinsong, had told me that we shall start the bridge, and we had even laid the foundation stone. That time in the presence of Mr. A.L. Heck, and since I represent the other side of the constituency, Nangthamai, and this side, the late David Nangrom was the MLA. So we didn't put the foundation stone, and the work started quite earnest. But just months later, hardly half of a year later, in March 2020, we were hit by the COVID. When the COVID eased, then it started raining. So there, in the rains, you couldn't walk. So a lot of, we were getting a lot of complaints and, let us say, a lot of insinuations that people, the legislators were not taking interest. But you can't ask a fellow to swim in the river and construct a bridge, and that is virtually impossible. So once the water level went down, then they started again. So this is what today we have seen the progress. And I spoke, a little time was lost because there is a certain the design of the bridge which needs two bearings, where the bridge sits on that. Now those bearings also took long to come. So that also pandemic. Again, pandemic, and because that was also for different provider.
Had there been no
months? They say 18 months, but as in reality, not the rains, the pandemic, 24 months should have been sufficient. Because it's just a concrete bridge. It's just a concrete. Then the girders are concrete. The slab is concrete. So it's not a very complicated design. And 70 metric tons. So designing such a bridge is not a very difficult proposition. But we have been informed that there is no escalation.
What is the project cost?
4.35 crores.